How's it going, guys? Sean back here with another video. Just thought I'd do a quick tutorial because I couldn't find many of these for this model Genesis Coupe on YouTube. Currently in the process of tearing the car apart. I'll show you. Yep, so here's the Genesis right now. Unfortunately, a couple weeks ago I spun a rod bearing and I'm just going to end up replacing the motor because it'll be cheaper to do it that way than trying to tear it apart and fix the issue. So started about a week and a half ago tearing stuff apart. Got a lot of it already done, trying to prepare the car to get the motor pulled. But I just finally got the headers off yesterday. It's kind of a pain in the ass because there's no room to work with the engine bay being so tight. But I did get both the left and right headers off. Now the car's current setup for exhaust is, I'll see if I can show you. Basically, it's got test pipes where the secondary cats are, and then everything else besides the resonator has been cut out. So she definitely purrs pretty loud. I'll insert some exhaust clips at the end of the video. But just as a temporary upgrade, I'm going to be clearing out the cats, the primary cats from the headers before they get reinstalled. I'll probably end up in the future just getting some aftermarket headers, but just for the time being and to save some money on this whole rebuild process, I'm going to be clearing out the primary cats, just gutting them out, and hopefully I can get some flames after that. That'd be awesome. The car, as it sits, is it's got SFR, custom tune, and exhaust. That's basically all I've done power-wise. But I've definitely got more to come. I'll show you the inside. Car's, I've completely gutted it basically. It's a BK1 2010 3.8 track, but it's been converted mostly to BK2 interior. But if you see, there's like no headliner, and I'll show you back here, back seats, everything from the trunk. It's all been gutted out for weight savings. So that's basically what we're doing today. I just threw on these wheels just to see how they looked. I usually have black wheels, but kind of like the gold a little bit. I might end up getting these powder coated black. These are the wheels that I usually run, and then these are the new ones that I just got. I'm gonna clean them up some, but I think I might keep them and put these ones on instead of those ones. I was running 255s on the rear and 225s in the front, and now I'm probably gonna have 255s on the front and 265, 275, something like that on the rear, whatever I decide to do. But that's basically what the tutorial is going to be for today, so just stay tuned. Alright guys, so just got the O2 sensor removed. I was unable to do that when it was on the car because they were kind of stuck to it, but got some WD-40 and was able to get that removed. So there's a couple different ways you can go about clearing out the cats. You can drill into the material and just kind of break it up into different chunks, or you can just hammer it out with like a pick and a hammer. Probably gonna try both of those and see which one's easier. Let y'all know which one's gonna be quicker and less troublesome. Alright, so this is how we're doing it right now. Basically, excuse the mess, this is my mom's cellar. She doesn't really keep it all that tidy. Basically just getting a large screwdriver, this is a flathead, and just hammering it into the material. That'll go all around the exterior, and then you can break it up into chunks. probably also mention you should probably be wearing some sort of protection, whether it's eye protection or protection for your hands in case you miss by it. Who really gives a shit about all that? So that's what the material looks like. Not exactly sure what it is. It might be some kind of a foil, but got little honeycomb squares on them, and it comes out pretty easily. Just gotta keep hammering it. Looks like there's some type of foam as well in there. All right, so as you can see, most of it's coming out. It's getting in little chunks. Once I pull all that out, it should be clear. All right, guys, and after about 5 minutes of clearing the rest of that out, it is all the way cleared out. Not sure if you can see in there. Let's see if I can get some light. It's kind of difficult. There we go. And it is all cleared out all the way through. Now, just a fair warning, this might throw a check engine light for the O2 sensor. This is not burning off the excess fuel, but who really gives a shit about that? Yep, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos with the rebuild of the Genesis Coupe 3.8.
Wow.